Everybody, and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisine, Shetty's Cuisine du Monde. My name is Chef Ayesha, and this is my channel, a channel dedicated towards the cooking and teaching of global cuisines. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some burger buns. Activated yeast, I've already done my yeast. Some sesame seeds, a bit of black cumin seeds as well, some salt to taste, olive oil, or you can use some butter. It doesn't require any form of egg whatsoever. I'm just gonna incorporate in 1 teaspoon of salt in here, and then I'm gonna mix both the plain flour and the strong white flour together like this. In goes my activated yeast, like that. In goes approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use butter and egg, but I'm not. And so we're just gonna try and mix this together. Incorporating a bit of warm water. In my dough tool, I'm just gonna incorporate in everything till they turn into a doughy consistency. What we have now, we're gonna work with the dough so it's no longer sticky. Sprinkle a bit of plain flour on this. Using my hands, I'm just gonna keep kneading it in the bowl without actually utilizing any working surface. Just going to continue kneading it till it's no longer sticky. The dough is still sticky. We're gonna work with it till it's no longer sticky and it bounces, back. The dough, when we press it like this, see it bounces back. That tells you that it's ready. We're gonna allow this to rest for half an hour and then we work with it. Our dough has risen up. Knock it back.
Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you like eating recipes across the globe, then this channel is for you, and you can support it by supporting.
Our burger bun is done.